What's up, YouTube? ForworN here. Me and Explosive are gonna be playing some Dome Hardcore Bolts. Show you guys what it's like, right? So here we go. I am host, so I do have a tiny bit of an advantage, but Explosive plays this game 10 times more than me, so he should be able to do something to me. He just said, "Yeah, right," but he knows it's true. So, I bet he's going Red Army. Yep. Okay. Thought you were gonna go top, but whatever. So I'm gonna sit right here and I'm gonna pop shot. Did you really just say you took off your hat and that's why you lost? Alright, picked up an easy kill right there. He just jumped out. So let's see what I can do on offense, guys. Let's go. Explosive, you're going down, kid. You smell like old lady titties. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. I was just playing like a retard. Explosive, you still smell like old granny titties, alright? Just letting you know, so. Yeah, and he shot me. It's a little weird. I think he has a UFO mode going on here. Alright, let's play some real offense, ladies and gentlemen. It's called a crouch shot, not a. Oh, and I get a no scope too. His chest. That's embarrassing, ladies and gentlemen. It's embarrassing. Just kidding. Oh, that was right on him. I don't know how that didn't hit. Looks like he's gonna run up there and jump up. So let's see what we can do here. Yeah, I knew he was gonna do that. Should have pop shotted that, but it's all good. It's all good up in the hood, big boy. You know what they say? Do you have the boss at chicken? Shooting his pistol at me, so I'm not sure what that means. Pretty sure he's trying to tell me he's gay or something. And I just wall banged him in a pretty nasty head glitch. So see what I can do here. Oh, and he eats a bullet. And he eats a bullet. God mode for the win, ladies and gentlemen. That's why you use God mode in singles. Just to let everybody know. Just kidding. He doesn't have God mode on, but still, that was like bunch of bull crap. So yeah, obviously you can hear him pop shotting right there. It's pretty obvious. Whoa, yes! Got him through that wall. That's why you say ForworN is a monster, everybody. Alright, looks like Squirtle wants to challenge me here. We'll see you next video, guys.